In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn connections from employer. If you want a little more privacy on LinkedIn, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. Hiding your connections helps prevent other people, including your employer or co-workers, from easily viewing the people in your network. This can be useful if you want to keep your professional relationships more private while still using LinkedIn normally. To get started, go to the LinkedIn homepage and look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon labeled Me. Click on that to open the account menu. This is where LinkedIn places many of your personal account options, including the privacy settings we need for this change. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you open that page, you'll be taken to the main area where LinkedIn lets you manage your account preferences, visibility options, and privacy controls. If you've never been here before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward once you know where to look. Next, find Visibility in the left sidebar and click on it. This section controls how your profile and activity appear to other people on LinkedIn. Since connection privacy is related to who can see your network, this is the exact place you need to be. Now look for the section called Visibility of your profile and network. Inside that area, click on Connection Visibility. This setting determines whether other people can view your connections list. LinkedIn may still allow you to see your own connections as usual, but changing this option limits what others can access. Once you open Connection Visibility, switch the toggle to Off. As soon as you do that, your connections will be hidden from other users, and that's it. The change usually takes effect right away, so you don't need to save anything else unless LinkedIn specifically prompts you. As a quick tip, after updating this setting, it's a good idea to review the rest of your visibility preferences as well. LinkedIn has several privacy options that can help you control what people see, including profile edits, activity updates, and who can follow you. That's all you need to do to hide your LinkedIn connections and keep your network more private. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.